today I will be telling you how to install DosBox for Windows. So just type DosBox download, go to the first link, download it for Windows. After downloading it, you can just open it. So just install it, next, and then you have to get this 8086 folder inside your Windows folder. So just download it. So I've already downloaded. I will be using from this zip file. Now extract it to the Windows C folder. One thing to note is I already have it, so it will be showing to replace it. I'll just replace it all. So now you can see inside your Windows folder there is an 8086 folder downloaded. So now it's almost done. For the test purpose, I will just include a test hello world program so you can test it. So I'll just say text document. I'll just go inside it and just copy the test program, paste it and save it. One thing to note is while you save it, do not save it as text document but as all files. You can rename it as print. Okay. So thing to note here is, so the application, okay, the print is still text document, it should be ASM document. So I'll just go to the print and save it as, let's say hello dot ASM, and I should make it all files here. So yeah, so now as you can see hello.asm is an ASM file. I can delete the rest too, I don't need it. Okay, now go to the search box, search for DosBox as I've installed it. Now just type mount C:/8086. Now it's mounted. Now C:, masm hello. Okay, link hello.exe. So yeah, that's how you install DosBox in Windows. See you.